guys, welcome back. So I'm going to do the unboxing now. This is the Fujifilm Instax Mini 90 Neo Classic camera. So what I'll do, I'll just read you some of the features that it's showing here. Double exposure mode, bulb exposure mode, macro mode, party mode, kids mode, landscape mode. It's got self timer mode, flash on or off, brightness adjustment, 2 shutter release buttons and rechargeable battery. Alright, so what I'll do now is we'll get this opened up. Okay, so first off, what we have looks like we've got a carry strap with the, turn it around, with the Fujifilm logo. So I'll put that to one side. Here we have the Instax Mini 90 instant camera. So this is obviously an instruction manual, and it's the same thing here. It's another instruction manual. So it's obviously it's in different languages. So I'll put that to one side. And there's another one. So there's actually 3 manuals. So I'm sure that covers all languages. Let's get in here. This is the bit that we're really looking for. Okay, so here we have the 3-pin plug adapter. So that's to charge the unit. We have the battery. So there we go. That's the battery here. Quite a small little battery there, neat one. This is the battery adapter. So what you do is you charge the battery, I suppose, in there, and then put your adapter on there. And the main bit, it's the bit that I've been waiting for, it's the camera itself. There you go. Well, that is really nice. That is a nice camera. With obviously it's a small battery, but it's not overly heavy. It's got a reasonable weight to it. So there's the camera. So just to brush up what you got in the box, so you get the camera, you get the carry strap, you get the charger, and also you get the battery.